All right, what's up, everyone? We have to announce the winners for the Day 7 Aero Tags giveaway, the Day 8 Adams Premium Folding Cart giveaway, and the Day 9 Adams Premium Detailing Cart. And then we're also going to announce the Day 10 Work Pro Polisher, DA Polisher giveaway as well, and then talk about what today's giveaway is. So I have some notes here, so I'm just going to go ahead and read off the winners here, okay, guys? Day number 7 giveaway for the Aero Tags. Again, they said they would give away 5 different kits. So the winners are Tom Nguyen 8319, Mark Rhodes 2136, Superauto 2K, DAHRFRY 5011, and Eric Medina 5519. So congratulations to all of you. Send me an email to joshv@detailersupply.com, DTLRsupply.com, and just put Day 7 Day 7 winner, and then I'll get your information over to Aero Tags and I'll send them out directly to you guys. So congratulations to all of you. Moving on to the Day 8 Adams folding detailing cart, which is an awesome item, again, especially for the mobile detailer to be able to put this in your van and then set up as you go, or for someone in a smaller space, right? Smaller garage, you're able to use it as needed and then pack it away and keep everything nice and clean. The winner for that one is Jordan Diaz 9682. Congratulations, Jordan. Again, for you also, just send me an email to joshv@detailersupply.com. Put Day 8 winner, send me your shipping information, I'll get it out to you. And then that moves us on to day number 9, the Adams Premium Detailing Cart. And the winner of that one is Francisco Lopez 712. So Francisco, same thing to you, man. Send me an email, address, put Day 9 winner in the subject, and I'll make sure to get that out to you. Now let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, we still have Day 10 to give away, which was the Work Pro Dual Action Polisher. The winner of that one is KJ642. So I don't know what your name is exactly, because that's KJ maybe? Anyways, congratulations to you. Send me an email, same thing, but put Day 10 winner, and I'll make sure to get that out to you. Okay, now let's go ahead and announce the Day 11 giveaway. We're on our last 2 days here, guys. It'll be today, and then tomorrow I'll announce the Day 12. That'll be our final 12th day of Christmas giveaways. Day 10 though, or sorry, excuse me, man, this is so confusing for me. Day 11 though, is going to be right here. We're gonna be doing a little ceramic coating prize pack. So first off, this is my favorite panel prep that I've been using. I also really like Gyeon prep, but it's not allowed in California anymore, I guess. So I've been using PPS from Koch Chemie. Absolutely love this stuff. It's really easy to work with. It does a phenomenal job. So we're giving that away. It'll also come with a pump sprayer, or not pump sprayer, but a regular trigger sprayer. And then along with that, we're giving away one of my favorite coatings because it's so easy to use. This one's got the sweating feature, so it sweats instead of rainbows and makes it really easy to wipe up. And that is going to be Gyeon Mohs Evo. Fantastic coating. I love this stuff. This is the 30 mil bottle. I'm able to do a full SUV with a 30 mil. Some people are a little bit heavier with it, but hopefully 30 mils is enough to get what you need done. So we're gonna be giving away, again, 30 mils of Gyeon Mohs Evo and a bottle of panel prep spray from Koch Chemie. So good luck to all of you. In order to win, comment down below on this video, and then also go over to my Instagram for an additional chance to win. And I will have a picture of this up, so just comment on that one as well, and you'll be entered. So good luck to all of you. Again, we'll be back tomorrow with the final giveaway. And yeah, that'll do it. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.